So as per our previous class, we have already the knowledge how to write a program by using Turbo C++, and for that we have written a program that is Hello World. Now in this class we know how to print your name. Hope you have already done that, and also we know how to print the address. So here I will print my name and as well as my address in two different programs. uh, and these are the two questions which I have given in our previous class. So we know how to use a program. So for that, let me write the first program whatever we have done. So we have written already the first program Hello World, and for that what to do, what to write, that is already known to us. So first we have to write hash include stdio.h, and it is my suggestion to use your copy and pen whenever I'm using this format. So void main opening bracket, then here we have written printf hello world. Then after writing this program, we have compiled the program, and to execute the answer we have run the program. So now in today's class we have to display our name. So in a program you can write as many as printfs you like. So I just want to print my name. This is Burli, Sharma. Right. So the same thing we have to perform, but the only thing which we have to make is this one. This, instead of hello world we have to write my name. So instead of hello world we have to write my name. So if you have not omitted the printf hello world program from the previous example, then you will face this type of situation. So let me show you the answer first. So alt F new. So this is hash include stdio.h, then it is void main, and here you have to write printf hello world. So now printf hello world is over. So alt F9 success, control F9, so it will execute the program, and to view the answer alt F5. So hello world is there, just press a key, it will return to your screen. Now instead of hello world I have to display my name, so that's why I want to display my name, that is Burlesharma. So just compile the program, alt F9 success, control F9, the answer is already available on the output screen. So you are expecting that your answer is available on the output screen, that is quite good, but along with that other message is also available, and that is hello world. So first time you have written hello world, compile the program, the answer is already available on the screen. Second time you have written the program by changing hello world to your name, so that is my name Burli Sharma, and whenever you will run the program you are expecting that your name will be available, and the answer is correct, your name is there, but the hello world which was earlier available on the output screen, that we have not erased till now. Because of that, along with that line our name is also available. So it is a good job to clear each and every time the program output screen whenever you want to execute the same program by making changes, or you want to make a new program on the same screen, blue color screen. So blue color screen is normally known as your editor. So on the editor, by clearing the output screen, and in order to clear the output screen you have to add a function known as your clrscr opening bracket closing bracket semicolon. Clrscr is clearing the screen, clear screen. So compile the program. So once you will compile your program, you will get an error. The answer is the same. Function clrscr should have a prototype. So now as we know that whenever we are using printf, we are bound to use stdio.h. Similarly, whenever we want to use clr scr, we are bound to apply hash include conio.h. So we are bound to use conio.h. Now whenever I will compile the program, it provides me a success message. The moment whenever I will run the program, the first line will be executed, that is clr scr. It makes your output screen clear, then only the next line will be printed. So already I have used control F9. So if I will go for output screen by using alt F5, the only name is there. So we know how to clear the output screen, that is clr scr. Then we know how to use printf by using stdio.h. So you can combine as many lines as you like within a program. But it is not a good sign to write the program in this way. So for that, it is always a better process to provide a gap between your opening curly bracket and closing curly bracket. So that's why clr scr, if you want to write, just provide a tab. And the process of writing this program is known as your indentation. The process of writing your program is known as your indentation, as we are making ourselves clean and we dress in such a way that the people will appreciate. In the same manner, you have to write your program so that the programmers who having knowledge on C must appreciate or provide some information that no, this program is having some skill. So, and the first one is indentation. So that's why it is always a better sign to make your program in the form of indentation. So I just want to show you how to make indentation from the beginning. So I have to write the hello world hash include stdio.h hash include conio.h, then void main curly bracket, then provide tab clr scr, then printf. My name I just want to print Gurlesh Sharma, then use backspace to go back and curly bracket. So now alt F9 success, control F9 to run, alt F5 to view the output, and to get back to the previous screen use any key. So this is the way how you have to write your name or print your name. So from this we know what, that whenever we want to write a program, then always we have to apply the lines, few lines, that is hash include conio.h is required for clearing the screen, and this is required for clr scr in small. So now the next program we want to know to print our address. So I just want to print the address by using my place, that is I'm staying at district Sambalpur, and it is part of Odisha, so that's why state is Odisha, and the pin I have given, so that's why my pin is 768004. So I just want to print these 3 lines. So since there are 3 lines available, I want to use multiple printf statements. So if I will go for the program, then the way whatever I have to use is alt enter to make this full screen. So now I just want to use clr scr, and under this I want to print what? I want to use my district as Sambalpur. Now printf state as Odisha, and the pin code as whatever I have given, 768004. So now compile the program, Alt F9, success, press Ctrl F9. Now you are getting the answer. So I am not showing what output it will display right now. On your next class or on our next class, we will know how the output will be displayed. But before that, just make a try on your system and have a look that what it will display. So keep programming, keep going, and this much for today's class. And in today's class, we know different things. First one is CLR is here. We know your as conio.h. Along with that, we have to know if we will use multiple lines in a program by using printf, then how the output will be displayed, and it is a part of next class discussions. So this much for today. Thank you.